This is the training video how to change the machine from 16 ounce to the 12 ounce bottles and canteen. So let's do it. 可以开始。
要调，
对
要等一会儿。
没关系，我就是要拍你调机的这个过程。So our engineer will show you how to adjust the machine to the 12 ounce bottle because this machine is for 16 ounce bottles. So we have to change it to the big bottle to the small bottles. So first of all, you have to change the screws, 3 screws here. So you can see 1, 2, and 3. So this is 3 screws, and here we show you how to adjust the bottle's position. You have to make sure this bottle in the middle of these two rows. So we have to put 3 bottles on a conveyor. You can see our engineer showing you. So this is how to adjust the position. It's in the correct position to the beer tin. You can see 3 bottles, 3 cans. So after you make sure it's in the middle of the between these 2 parts, and you lock the screw 1 and 2, and number 2 screw our engineer is doing now. So it's 3 screws over there. So we take out the bottles, and we take out 3 bottles. After make sure, you can see it's difficult to take it out because it's in the correct position. So the label can press. So these two parts can pressing the label to the can, so the label can stick to the can. So let's show you how to adjust the labels, paper labels here. First of all, because the label height is different. The label height is different, so we have to change the higher to the lower. And there's a 2 screws here, 1 and 2. We have to take 2 screws out. So our engineers are working on it and take out the labels. So this is for the 16 ounce beer can and tin. You can see 2 sizes of labels. One is big, the other is small. So we take out 2 screws on the right and on the left, and on the right also you take out 2 screws. You can see here. So you take out 2 screws. So take out this top part of the paper fitting system, the label fitting system. So you can see our engineer is doing right now. So next step, we move out this part. We take out, you can see there's a 4 screw. 4 screw here, 1 and 2, 3, 4. So we will adjust the position again. 诶，那个小的呢？哦，这两个。
你不用了。
哦，我知道。This 2 small part is supposed to on the top of this part label fitting system, label fitting part. So these 2 part is to the big labels. So make sure this part is on when you use the big labels. So if you want to use the small labels here, you have to disarm 4 screw here. I already show you here, this screw. So after you make sure it's in the lower position, you put back the screw, put back the screw here. You can see 4 screw here. So first one, the second screw. So of course we will prepare the 2 for you, so it's easy job for you to disarm this screw out of the machine. So this is the 4th screw. you make sure it's locked. So it's locked. So we will make sure it's locked. So you change the part. It was supposed to higher, but the small bottles we have to put it down. So we have to take out the small pieces out, and after we take out the small pieces out, and we lock the screw, and 4 screws on the right and on the left. So this is the label fitting part, and it's easy job for you to finish this part. Not complicated, easy job, well done. So let's put on the small labels. You can see the big label is next to the small label. Here is the 这个是
调矮一点。
You have to also put this rod a little bit lower so it can be continued because it's a spring fixture. So you put it out, you can see the spring here. You have to because the label we used before is very high, so we have to unlock this screw and put it down. So make sure it's in. It can push the label forward. So you can see the spring here. Okay, this is the process to adjust the fixture spring. So these 3 parts to adjust these 2. You can see this small fixture, small parts, and it's need a little bit patient. You have to be careful and make sure. Okay, that's it. Very easy. First of all, you have to lose this part and lower this rod because it has spring on it. And after you make sure, after you put the small labels on the machine, and adjust these 2 small parts, so you can screw it and up and down. 一样的，
大小是一样的，
一样的
这里都不用调。
那是最好的，教一下也是最好的，大小是一样的。
大小是一样的。
对 ，so this pot because these 2 bottles the diameter is the same, so the only things we need to do is change the big label to the smaller label. The small label is shorter than the big label, so we have to put it down this part and make sure this part also lower. So this is the label fitting part. Let's take a look at the screen. So let's take a little bit, check every position, every part of the machine, and make sure.
长时间停机，胶水就会干，我们会把在这里撒一点点水，
Okay.
很稀的水。
Okay. After, if you didn't run for a very long period, you have to spring a little bit water because the road is very dry. You have to springs. You can use this pipe spring. Water is okay. So spring the water to the roller. Make sure it's wet.
稀的花法，撒一点点。
Yeah, just put spring a little bit water on it to keep it wet because if you haven't run for a very long time, you have to make sure it's wet. So let's take a look, take a text on the small bottles. It's 12 ounce beer tin can bottles, metal tin. So let's take a look at the result. Is it in the correct position or not? Is it good? Yeah, it's very good, right? So our engineer is very good at it. We have many years experience on this machine. So we're very good at this machine. And our engineer is going to take a look and take a text again. So we have to make. Okay, let's do it.